Good afternoon. Hello, how are you? Okay, Rory is asking, can you tell us about the start of your agency? How did you market yourself and how did you acquire new customers to grow? So, we've been in business since 2002, so almost 18 years now. It has evolved quite a bit from being traditional photographers. And as the internet came along, our business evolved, and you've got to change with the times. You can't just stand still. So from photography, people then video case started to come along. People started to say, "Can you do videos, product shots for e-commerce websites, those kind of stuff?" Business headshots we used to do a lot. Now on a website, the two most important thing you have are images and videos. Then the client would say, "Well, you're doing our photos and the videos. Why don't you start doing why can't you do our website?" So I thought, well, we can try. So we started building up and we started doing websites. And then when you do have a website, then you need traffic. And in 2008, when the last big recession happened, we all the businesses were struggling with high cost of advertising in magazines and newspapers and trade shows, etc. I turned to Google Ads at that time, and that's how it evolved. And this is how I do it. So if I can promote my business using, let's say, video ads or display ads, I can pretty much do the same thing to for somebody else as well. And this is where I keep on going on about video. Very few agencies or marketing professionals are leveraging video. Once this COVID-19 finishes and we all come out of it, everybody will be starting and looking at video, and I want to be at the forefront. So you need to differentiate yourself and get yourself out there.